a lot of notes. Don't worry. Yes, Koa. You're sorry? I didn't hear you, Koa. About what? Final? Okay, I will have to check that. I will get back to you. But right now, let me show this to everybody in class. So I'm just saying that. Okay, so you're going to read these PowerPoint and the random numbers note, the math class and random class, just to get ideas, okay, to get ideas about how to generate random number. And RPS, maybe I should put the RPS program here so you can try it yourself. Let me just copy and paste it, put it in the D12, so you have it right away. You don't have to worry about it. This is chapter 5. Okay, it's from that book, and which is okay. I just copy it and post it in there for you. It's gonna be a long announcement, but that's okay. So you can try it, and Koa, you can try taking out the final. Maybe I have to go look at it, but I think this should work. So I'm gonna post Control V. See, you can just copy this and put it in a Java program and play around with it, change them, change the numbers. Let me update it. Okay. But the reason I'm saying final is needed for the other programmers to see that, okay, this is a constant value. This is something that is not going to change. But even if you don't put the word final, because you have declared a variable, I think the program should work. But I will have to look and see why it didn't work. It's it says has to be final. Yeah, the result should be the same, but let me just try again taking the no, final is for, yeah, is a keyword for the computer to know that this value is not going to change. But let me see what the error says. But these are like, you can't ask like a lot of questions like this. Like, for example, why in English we say I'm going to go for, like, let's say instead of saying I ate lunch, we say, instead of saying I eat I eats lunch. Can I say I eats lunch, or I can say she eats lunch? I cannot say I eats lunch, because it's just a standard. It's just a grammar. So the same thing with Java. It's just a grammar. It's nothing that is, it it's like it's not written on a stone. It's just a grammar. So that's what I'm saying. Mhm. Yeah, it says constant expression required. Okay. Oh yeah, I know. So therefore, so we listen to it, then we will add final. But I was just saying that in my opinion, I can write other programs without final and show you. Sometimes it would work without it, but I don't want to just go through this program right now, figure it out. But yes, it is a good practice to put final, the keyword final at the beginning, so everybody knows that these are constant values. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. You like this. Yeah. Yeah, no, but final is needed. I think it's needed. That's why it didn't work. But I know that I can write programs without the word final and it would work. But in this program it's needed. See, when we take it off, it doesn't work. So it's needed to make sure that this is a constant value. Okay, so the same thing as English. I'm saying so. In English, there are some rules we follow. I say, you know, I don't say I teaches you. I say I teach you. Yeah, right now. I don't say she teaches you, but I can say she or he teaches you, but I cannot say I teaches you. You know, because that's not part of the grammar. So that's the reason we use some of these. But anyways, the point of this program mostly was for you to learn how to generate random numbers, and you won't be able to learn it until you use it in a program. So this is the highlighted code here that you need to do. So, okay, for the homework, I said that I want you to add something to your adventure game. So here, yeah, homework. I want you to try adding a random number generator to the adventure game. So you can just think about it and add to it before you hand in the game, okay? So I don't know if there's any, okay, there are some chats here. Okay. For Tuesday, what will be on the test? Oh, I forgot about that, Kashmir. I'll talk about it right now. So are we still doing unit 2? What is it? Code HS. Yes, I'm going to assign it to. Okay, yeah, Kashmir asked me what is on the test. Yeah, I told you I'm going to give you a if statement only. Because I see you only once or twice per week, I need to give you if state, I need to give you a quiz. No, Tuesday. You Yeah, no, you don't have it because cohort A didn't have, unless you are ready and I will give you a test. So it's going to be just the if statement.
If cohort A has it on Tuesday, then when do we have it?
Whenever you come to class next time. I think it's Thursday. This time I'm going to try to put it on the computer because I don't want to use the paper. So I'm going to put it on the computer, but I have to figure out, I have to give you a time limitation or something because it cannot stay on the computer for a long time. Okay?
So, Miss,
Yeah. Okay.
yes,
Sorry, somebody else has a question. Kashmir, was that you?
Miss, no,
Yes.
so
Yeah. Okay.
so our if statement quiz is gonna be on Wednesday of next week.
No, I think it's Tuesday you're going to be in class.
No, I'm in Corby.
Oh, okay then. In that case, yes.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome. Do you feel ready for it? If you need more time, I can give you more time. But the thing is, I don't see you as often unless I put it online and everybody will do the same time. How about that? Do you like that? No, why not? Like, for example, I can just post it on Wednesday for everybody, Wednesday afternoon or something. Do you think that's a good idea? Or you like to write it on the paper? Okay, that's good. Oh, good idea to have it at the same time, Kashmir. Is that what you're saying? I think so too. You know what I'm thinking? Because it's a gap between the time that each cohort is in class. I think it's a good idea to put it on online and a specific time. And I only give you, for example, 1 hour or 2 hours to finish it, not more. Because I can't, it's not good to have a test for a long time on the online. Yes? Yes, Kashmir is agreeing with me. Okay. I think I will do that instead of you worrying about when you come to class to write it. So let me think about it, and on the weekend, I have long weekend, I will create a nice test and post it for everybody to do at the same time. I think that's a better idea. Mhm. Okay, any other questions before we go? What time is it? Oh, it's 5 minutes left. Any other questions? No, or just nothing? Okay. So you know what? Okay, and Code HS, I didn't assign it for you, but I wanted to assign. I
Oh
assigned
yeah,
the
Miss,
Code
I have a quick
HS
question.
tomorrow. Yes.
My question is, you know, for the
Sorry, I didn't hear you. Oh, I hope.
sorry, what's it called? I said for the project.
Uh-huh.
Sorry, I lost my train of thought. Oh yeah, I remember. Sorry. You know that
Advent.
paragraph that you said that you want us to write? You want us to send that to you want us to send that before we complete the project, right?
Yes, yeah, because I want
Send
to
that
know how much advice.
send that on D2L,
Yes,
to
yes.
your email on
Yeah.
D2L. Okay.
Yes, yes. Because
Okay.
then I will know what you're writing about, what kind of program you're doing. Yes. Yeah, I want to know what you are thinking of, because yeah. Yeah, you're going to put it on the as a comment on Java program, but before even you start your program, I want to know what you are thinking of. This is a norm in computer programming. Usually, if you are doing your own program, you have to give a proposal to the teacher. You have to tell the teacher what you're working on. Yeah. Yes, please. Yes. Yes, and you are here tomorrow in class, okay? You can still do it tomorrow in class too. And tell me flowchart for no, I didn't ask you for flowchart for the game, just for the pizza program. Yeah. Because flowchart takes time. As long for me, the important thing is for you to understand it. I don't want to give you that kind of work that takes a lot of time. So, but I want you to write more programs. Yeah. All right. Anything else? It's 2:13, 2 more minutes. If you have any questions, if not, just enjoy your writing your game. And if you have any questions, I
Wait,
will
Miss,
check.
I have one more question.
Okay.
Wait, you said I was really confused. You said that we don't have to do a flow chart for this project.
Yeah. Does it ask you to do it on the?
Yeah,
Did
I
I
could have
ask?
sworn it did. You did say that. I already started working on the flow chart.
Oh, really? Did I say we will be? It doesn't. I don't remember that. But if you have a
Wait, man.
start.
Well, you didn't say it, but I think the program did, but you didn't say it.
Oh, if the program
I
did
don't
it.
think you said it, Miss.
Anyway, but she is already okay, guys. Why don't you just make a simple flow chart? You don't have to write every single thing on it. Just a big picture of it. Is that good?
For our game, Miss?
Sorry.
For the
Yeah.
game?
Yeah. Actually, she's right. Here it says start by drawing flowchart. Sorry, I forgot about that. So you need to do a flowchart, but it doesn't have to cover every single action of your game. Just a general idea, okay? And you know how to do flowchart because you have done the pizza program. For people who are here tomorrow, I can show you some flowcharts. And for cohort A, I think I already showed them a better way of making flowchart. And tomorrow I will work with cohort B and show them. Okay. All right, so just enjoy the rest of the programming things that you need to do. And this game, try to enjoy it and learn. And adding random numbers is interesting, so try learning that. And any questions, just email me or instant message me. All right. If
Bye,
not,
Miss.
bye. See some of you tomorrow.
Yeah, I'll see you
Bye.
tomorrow.
All right, take
Bye.
care. Bye, guys. Good night.
Bye, Miss.
Bye. Good night.